Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to download Figma desktop app on Windows. Alright, let's begin. First, open any browser and in the search bar, type Figma download. Once the search results appear, look for the official Figma website, which should be the first link. Click on it to go to the Figma download page. Now on this page, scroll down a little until you find the section labeled Desktop App. If you're using Windows, click on the Windows download option. If you're using a Mac, click on the corresponding link for Mac OS. Since I'm using a Windows laptop, I'll click the Windows version. The download will start automatically and may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, you can close your browser and go to your Downloads folder to find the Figma setup file. Double-click on the setup file to begin the installation process. When it opens, it will display a welcome screen asking you to log in with a browser. Click that. Your browser will now open and take you to the Figma login page. After logging in, it will prompt you to open the desktop app. Just click on Open Figma, and it will launch the Figma desktop interface. And there you go. So that's basically how you can download Figma desktop app on Windows. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.